Brothers Bistro, Hot Bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success. Hey, buddy.
Hey, pal.
I heard you're going to show me something today. You don't got nothing for me to learn, but I
I'm
heard.
always the teacher, and you're forever the student. Not really, but I've been working a little bit on some mindful breathing I wanted to share with you, and with the rest of the crowd. Just in case they're doing this.
Mindful breathing, huh?
Yeah, this is something I do most every day for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to walk you through. I got some instructions I'm going to read through, so I'm not going to close my eyes, but you're going to do your eyes closed. We're going to take you through some breathing first, and then we're going to talk about some things you can say out loud. It's really important that you say these things as if you were talking to someone else. And then finally, we're going to go through a couple of affirmations at the end. But normally, this is a 5-minute thing. We're going to condense it to like maybe a minute.
Okay.
So the first thing you do is you want to take a moment to get comfortable. Relax your arms, put your arms on your legs, and you want to deep inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. You want to do that for a couple of cycles. Okay. And then on the next out breath, at the third cycle, the third or fourth cycle, you're going to close your eyes. Okay. Okay, you got your eyes closed?
Uh-huh. Can you tell?
Okay. Now, you're going to want to, with your eyes closed, focus on your breathing, your breath. Notice where on your body your body moves when you breathe. Just breathing normally now, not in through the nose and out through the mouth anymore, just normal breathing. And then you're going to want to say to yourself, out loud if you can, who or what are you most thankful for?
I'm thankful for my brother.
No, you're supposed to say it just like I said it, as if you were talking to me or somebody else.
I'm thankful for you.
No. You say the words. Who or what are you most thankful for at this moment? Say it.
Who or what are you most thankful for at this moment?
Yeah, so you're saying that as if you're talking to someone else. And you might say that a couple of times.
Who or what are you most thankful for at this moment?
Yeah, and then relax and see if anything comes to mind. You don't want to judge it. You just want to see it come and then go. And then you might say it one last time.
Who or what are you most thankful for at this moment?
Right. Okay, and then after you breathe into that for a little bit, and then we go through some I call them affirmations. They're not exactly affirmations, but you say these things with your eyes closed. You repeat, I am grateful for my health.
I am grateful for my health.
I'm getting healthier in all ways.
I'm getting healthier in all ways.
I'm loved.
I am loved.
I am worthy.
I am worthy.
And I am grateful for my body.
And I am grateful for my body.
And then you settle again, breathing normally, focusing on the breath. And then when you're ready, you just open your eyes and think about how you're feeling in this moment and remember that feeling, because you can capture it again during the day. You can take just a few minutes or a minute, less than a minute, to do these same kinds of things during the day, and you can recapture this feeling.
All right.
How do you feel?
I feel grateful.
It's not a bad way to start the day, right?
No, it's super cool, super cool. So if you guys out there want to follow along or jot these things down, it'd be a cool way for you to start the day too. Looking forward to seeing you. Brothers Bistro.
Out.